In today's video, this is what I have for you today. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to JW Solar USA. This is a Magnum Energy ME-SBC battery, smart battery combiner. This one, like you heard, is a battery combiner. You can add another extra battery, like an auxiliary battery, to your main battery. So this is what it does. So guys, you can see from here, you can able to get their dialing knobs, I can call them, and this is where you can set the battery to disconnect or to connect. Connect, low battery, disconnect, and high voltage disconnect. So you can set the parameters here. Instead of a digital, it's gonna be just analog, which you can use a dial. So it has a status light, disconnected, and reverse polarity protection. It had a reset button here. So the first one, you can set the voltage of the battery if a 12 volt or 24 volt configuration. So it's a multiply voltage setting times 2 for 24 volt. So you can set your battery parameters here. You want the battery to connect, for example, like a 12 volt to 13 point something or 13 volt. It connects when the batteries are low. It's going to connect, and you calculate it times this. If it's a 12 volt, this, and this you want it to cut off at a 15 volt. It depends to your battery manufacturer specifications. So you have to know your settings and whatever you want. I can set the battery to connect at a 12 volt, 12.8 volt, and it disconnect at 12.5 volt. And you want it to be a high voltage when you charge. It's going to be about 15 volt or 14.4, 14. See what's 14 here? You can see 0.3, okay, 0.3, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, whatever. You can go all the way 15 here on your dial. So what it does, I can put the pictures or the configuration on the video as the video starts or as the video end. You will see all the way it was configured. Here's the main battery. You can connect your main battery from here, just like when you have a boat or marine. You have the starter battery, you have the auxiliary battery, which is like maybe navigation or whatever, you know, trolling motor or whatever. So the main battery connects from here. Let me say one battery is here and the second battery is here. You can see it on the diagram. And you have an auxiliary positive here. This one goes to the second battery connected to the positive side. And let me say underneath here you have your bus bar for the negative terminals. They're going to tie the two batteries. They're not like you have to parallel them. No, one battery is coming in here. The positive of it is coming inside here, which is the auxiliary one, and the main battery here. And that is the common one, which is the neutral, is going to take on the second battery neutral and tie it up there. And the main battery is here. So guys, you can pull about this thing can use a solenoid. You can see that you can connect a solenoid here to do. You can see that on the diagram as well. I'm going to put on the video on the slide there. You can connect a solenoid here, and which this thing can take about 25 amps. You know, we can draw about 25 amps to maintain these batteries, and it can surge all the way to about 40 volt. So this little device is a very powerful thing for Magnum, and it depends how you want to utilize it. Some people will find it helpful. Some people probably, you check on the videos there, it's not even on the Magnum, one of his videos there. But I decided to give it a shot because, like I told you guys, I'm getting all my Magnum devices, and this is what I want to do. On the solenoid, you can see how it's connected, the positive. Okay, the sense cables from here is going to come to the positive of the main first battery. That's how you sense the battery for low voltage or whatever, like the cutoff or whatever, the battery full. Then if you charge, it's going to be charging. If you draw, it's going to be drawing. You need second battery, it's going to connect to it. And the solenoid, you see the next photo that has a pause the video and look at how the solenoid is connected. And from there you can see how the solenoid is connected. The positive of those comes with a how you call it, you guys inline fuse on it, and the inline fuse is going to help you gets to this side in case of any arc or so instead of burning out, this device is going to be protected. Then it's going to come from the solenoid here and to the battery. This to the battery, I get a solenoid positive around here, and it's going to loop all the way to the main battery, as well as the sense wire right there to sense the voltage, like what you already said, your parameters here, and it's going to do whatever you can do. So it's just a quick shot video I want to show you guys here. I hope you this one will make sense, and read the schematics. I'm going to be adding the pictures on the description below or on the slide. That's what I meant. And this is going to be an awesome thing for your application. And I'm going to be setting up a video for this, maybe for my 12 volt portable system, or I'm going to be utilizing it for the 24 volts. It has both 12 and 24, you can see here, so you can able to utilize this machine. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like the video. As always, here in Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Bye.